Hi Nuna, hi Money, hi Steamflower, hi Genesee. I just want to make sure I say hi to everyone because I don't get to see on Instagram. It's on the top of the nails right now. But Mika's seeing it, so Mika can help me read all the questions if you have the question. So of course now we always, doesn't matter if in pandemics going open back in the salon, we always ask the clients to go wash their hands first. That's the first thing. So it doesn't change anything much for us. And I just remove all the residues to being prepared for this because I see it's growing out. But right here is the important of peppering because if the prep's not right, the client's nails and the powders can be lifting really hard. So I have this one done, part of it, so but I still save this so you can see how really is easy, simple, remove the nails. And for all of you who are asking for that clipper remover, we out stock like maybe in 1 day. They're back in the stock now, so it's great to if you will check on it, is special Memorial Day sales going on. I think I get all the residues off. Great. So I'm gonna get this off. Ooh, a lot of dust right here. Sorry. Sorry, getting all the dust there. Great. Should remove all of that. And I am gonna change my one bead.
Do you prefer the ceramic bit over the carbide bit?
It really depends. Ceramics is just like I think it just really depends on the techniques that you're using. It doesn't matter. I think it's all the beads works great. The combined beads, ceramics, I'm using a lot for like, it's really, I don't want to take off a lot of like, not too embraces, take a lot of my acrylics off. So that I'm prefer that. Especially for like a soft or and a dipping and I'm using a sand bead and then this is a medium grit. And you're seeing that mine's like a white. Is the newest, I think, a different sand. There are several different ones. I didn't use. There's a new one from one of our distributors that closer to us, and they suggest for this one because the other one will be. I like this one better because it doesn't leave all that residue like a black sand or brown sand. If you pay attention, you're seeing like all of that.
Chantel asked you, do you have drill bit on sale?
Yes. Get me the different one. The drill bits, yes, the whole set especially is going on sale right now. I think you get 20% out of that. And also is Mika will share one of her code is Mika. If you're using code to save your free shipping of $79.99. Here's this one. I'm using this from that one. Hold on. Let me show just really cool and quick. I have a lot of trainings in the class for so many of our students. this is here is really cool, and I'm so adoring this. We'll put it together for you. It's special that everything you need. 3 of this bit will be special using for your dipping and softer, like it's not too aggressive filing, okay? And 3 of this is carbides is that you can using in to create your, you know, apex and the edges in the cuticles area. And this 2 are to create and then to clean it up your cuticle for gel polishing. So you have 3 in 1. And this is a brush that you can dust it off your unicorn brush, or if you don't want it, you can using it to cleaning off all that from all the crease between your you know, carbide ceramics and others. So this one is really stunning because I'm using it for my gel, you know, like cleaning up all the cuticles area. So then the 3 in 1 in one set, because we have so many. Then I'll show the student in the class the same thing. So I'm cleaning up. I prepped her nails. Make sure. I think, where's my cuticle pusher? I'm gonna push back her cuticles. I'll clean this one more time. That's important because if you don't prep this, be careful when you're doing a feel for clients. You get a lot of more chance that clients coming back in 1 week is gonna get a lot of blitzing. This one is I prepped already, but I just want to show you how you see between the prepping done and this one is not done prepping yet. This one we just like remove the crystal off. You see how much of the dead skin cuticles right here, we need to like really remove that before I can do a feel on, or else it's gonna start lifting in a few days.
Yes, Chantel asked you when will we hold the class again?
Chantella, thanks so much for the question. It's great questions as well. We're gonna get back into the schedule regular once our routine it back to normal in different state. We're gonna host it in Michigan, so when Michigan open it back, and anytime sooner, we're definitely gonna keep everyone posted for the class. We're so excited and we can't wait to see everyone. So you can see how much I push it and like the cuticles, you can see that. And then we're gonna using, oh, this one is good. We're prepping the other one. So I'm gonna get that one. One of this. What is that? So no, the other set. The running one. Let me see. No, I need that one. So we can do this one.
Slay Queen says, I just started nails and no matter what I do, they just keep coming off in 2 to 3 days. I don't think I'm putting the right things on.
The prepping is the prep's important, and after you're done with the prepping, you lay your beads on it, and the cleaning up is another part as well.
She says, do you mind telling me what do you put on there before the acrylic? Is it just primer and then base coat?
You're just gonna using a primer. The primer is important too, and then to holding all of Oops, sorry. Keep going back to the same one we did. I'm just using one of the beads for the cuticles. Oh, thanks, Chantella. I want to go back into my sand bead to clean all the residue off. You're gonna do like have a 45-degree. You don't want to be like doing a 90-degree because you don't want to be too aggressive on the client's nail bed. You just like not on a nail plate. You're just cleaning up all that dead skin off to prepping it, so then that way it's gonna keep it really nice and clean and it's ready for the filling. So this is so many, there's so many different ways to do a filling. Everybody have a lot of different cool idea and techniques. This is one of the techniques that I would like to sharing it with you. It's great for like, if you're seeing that a little bit white spot there, it's got a little bit of really minimums of like a lifting. So then I'm gonna just remove that to make sure I get all of. You see them go back and forth, but basically it's not doing it much like really aggressive on her nail like surface at all. So that's what you want to remove them all. This one I prepped it earlier already as well. We have this one. And this you're seeing the plants growing out like 2 weeks. So when you're doing your fill, when you're doing the same colors as you did it before, then it considers the fill. But the plants growing, the nails growing out long like this, like whole inside the 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks is not considered as the fill anymore. It's gonna become a new set. So I'm gonna dust all dust off. I can't wait because we want to do some fun neon nails. Okay, great. I'm using primer. That's one of the primer I'm using. Also, if you are using this, it works as well. CND. Hey, Annette, how are you, sweetie? Okay. So we're gonna apply the primers, and you're gonna only need to apply it on the natural nail. You do not need to go in on the top of acrylic at all. This is the bondings that have between to bond your acrylic liquid and powder. Try to avoiding touching your skin, or I mean client's skin and your skin. So you make sure all of this residues and everything is off. There are no like extra cuticles or dead skins hanging off there. This will be really key to help it, one part of it, to get it successful and not gonna get liftings at all.